Hello and welcome to F&S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, Northeast's largest express dealer and one of the largest express dealers in the nation. I'm Andy, I'm the express guy here at F&S. If you contact us, more than likely you'll be speaking with me. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at fsyamaha.com, our very active YouTube channel, F&S Yamaha, our Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, this is a trade-in that we just got. We don't get many express trade-ins, but seems like everybody holds on to them. But this is a very nice H17 Bass that we just got in. 2023 H17 Bass. This was bought new from us, and we did the PDI and we installed all the electronics and whatnot, and we've done the servicing with it. The motor has 75 hours on it, has factory warranty till May of 2028. If you're not familiar with Xpress, Xpress was the inventor of the all-welded aluminum boat, and they're completely welded together, including the floor, the decks. It's all one solid welded together piece. Nothing's screwed or riveted in. Aluminum trailer, which is made in-house by Xpress. You see it has aluminum wheels. He also upgraded to ratchet tie downs from the standard regular tie downs. You see the ladder there in the back of the boat. 6-inch manual jack plate. 18-gallon fuel tank. It does have Baystar hydraulic steering as well. Stainless prop, of course. One Minn Kota Raptor shallow water anchor. Trick step winch mounted trailer steps up front. In and out. Minn Kota Ultrex 80-pound 24-volt MDI transducer with spot lock at the bow. Show you the electronics here in a minute when we jump in. With every used boat that we get in, we go through them very thoroughly. We service boat, motor, trailer. That way there's no surprises. And anything that isn't factory warranted, like the motor, for instance, which is factory warranted, we'll stand behind everything else with a 30-day warranty. Orange appearance package, which that includes orange stripes on the side of the boat, orange Seadek, and orange stripes on the seats. If you're not familiar with Seadek, Seadek basically has all the advantages of carpet with none of the disadvantages. It's very durable, it's easy to clean, dries quickly. I just washed this boat out 5 minutes ago and the Seadek's almost dry. If you do damage a panel, just replace that one panel. Jumping in, Humminbird Helix 9 MSI side imaging at the console. With, you can see a special mounted bracket there to mount instead of flush mount. All your switches. Boat has several upgrades too from the factory. Lights kit, so all the compartments have lights, and the livewell. Recirc livewell. Manual aerator. Bilge, nav lights, and you see the main power. Gauges, water pressure gauge, fuel gauge. That's the remote for the Raptor. To the left there, the gauge. And the other side is tachometer and trim. Up front, have a Helix 9 MDI. Of course, is connected to the MDI transducer on the trolling motor. And then we do have an Ethernet cable run to connect the finders, so they share information. I mentioned Xpress as being all welded together. Even the foot pedal tray has welded structure into the boat. These guys are really put boats together. Storages. That yellow thing you see is a light. Storage to the right. There's just some rod holders that the previous customer let with the boat. You also upgraded to the middle seat as well. And if you want, we can take that out if you prefer. It's easy to come out. Storage underneath the seats. It's one big storage area basically from side to side. Live well here. Tackle storage trays on each side of the rear deck. Back here is the fuel tank. Like I mentioned, 18-gallon. Main on off switch. We installed that main on off switch when we installed the accessories. So basically the whole boat shuts off when we're done for the day or when you start. See the Raptor pump there. This also does have auto bilge, so 2 bilges, a manual bilge and an auto bilge. And the auto bilge is live all the time, it has nothing to do with the switch. If you're not familiar with us, we're privately owned here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. My grandpa started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad's the current owner. I've been here over 30 years myself. But we're all about service. If you check our reviews out online on social media, especially, you'll see a lot of great reviews on Google reviews and whatnot. We're just before, during, and after. That's just what we are here, which you'll see when you're reading the reviews. If you would like me to go with you to the water as well, if you purchase this boat, we'd be glad to do that. Whether you're coming here or you're from distance, we'd be glad to do that, and also meet a lot of customers from distance as well. Meet halfway at a waterway to show you how to use your boat. Quick lap around our lot. We also sell Bennington pontoons, of course, new Xpress, Bass Bay duck, Excel duck and jet boats, Swickercraft V-bottoms, I appreciate you watching. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact us. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. Check us out at fsyamaha.com. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Have a good day.